Welcome to K Smooth Garage, where everyone isn't a mechanic.
Hey, what's up, everybody? K Smooth. So we finally got the steering wheel in and the new steering column. Got it in, and it was a bit of a challenge because, for one, it's a custom tilt wheel steering column, and they don't tell you. Well, it didn't come with any parts or hardware to actually hook the shaft and all that stuff. I had to buy that. I had to buy all of this, what I'm showing right now. I had to buy all of that, and extra cost. Me not being a mechanic, I thought that I could just buy that steering column and just basically it will hook up and I'll be done. Take it apart, take the old one out, and put this one in, and I'll be on my way. But that was not the case. So I actually had to make a brace to hold the steering column up on the inside. I didn't get to make a lot of video footage of the install because I had to just have the hands free. Had to have my hands, I couldn't do anything with the camera, so had a buddy of mine to help me out, but still for that, actually I can't. I have to give him all the credit because he's the one that really did the install for me. But still, up and down, landing tools and that kind of stuff. And really just didn't really think about doing anything with the camera because we're just trying to figure this thing out. But anyway, we got it figured out, and it drives good. I mean, you're talking about having a lot more space. Being a big guy, yeah, got some room. So it's tilt wheel, smaller steering wheel, and now I can honestly say that I am enjoying the truck. So just wanted to do a quick video just to let you guys know. I did say that I was going to do one once the install was completed. So it's completed, and thank you guys for watching. I may not have gave any information or whatever, about the, how it was done and all this kind of stuff. But anyway, like, share, subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna do another video here soon. We're gonna be lowering the truck. I've been watching a ton of you guys' videos and some helpful stuff, and then there again, when you're not a mechanic, a lot of stuff is a foreign language. So, but anyway, we're gonna get off here, and thank you guys for watching. Again, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you soon.